Hello everybody, my name is Miriam and welcome to my class. Today we are going into outer space. We're going to shoot up in our rockets. We're going to explore the moon and the stars. We might find some aliens. Let's start with our warm-up to get our bodies ready for moving. Hello everybody, we are going to be going on our journey into space. Let's start off making our rocket hands. After three, we're going to shoot them up into the sky. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. And let's draw them in. And let's go soaring through the sky in our rockets. Side to side. Show the stars that we can see. We can just do stars with our fingers and our hands to start with. Opening and closing our hands. Good. So now let's see if we can put some stars around us in the sky. All around us in different directions. Oh, it's quite cold in space. Let's rub our hands together and warm ourselves up, rubbing all the way down one arm. And let's give it a bit of shake. Good, and let's rub all the way down the other arm. Good, and a shake. Let's do a rub down our leg, rubbing all the way down our leg, even our foot, warming it up, and let's give the leg a shake. Good, and rub the other leg. All the way down, getting it nice and warm. Down our foot as well. Good. And give it a shake. Good. Let's see if we can come into a balance. There's no gravity in space. We'll be drifting around, floating. Good. Well done. And let's spin around. And the other way. Fantastic. Right then, are you ready? We're going to blast up into standing. 3, 2, 1. Good. And let's soar away. And let's check as we're doing this that we've got enough space for our dancing. With your arms and legs stretched out wide, are you touching anything? If so, move yourself slightly so you've got more room. Good, let's take our soaring into circles around and around. Spinning nice and slowly. Checking that we've got space for dancing. And the other way. Nice and slowly. And the other way again. Good, and let's do some marching on the spot. Nice high knees. Brilliant. Let's march to the side, facing the side, still on the spot. Brilliant. Let's go to the back. And the other side. And back to the front. Brilliant. Let's make our marching go into slow motion. We're imagining we're walking in space. We could do our slow motion on the floor or up high. We'll be checking around us and making sure we've got enough space to dance. Let's finish off with 2 balances. Finding balance number 1, holding it really still. Good, and balance number 2. Well done, and give me everything a shake. Ooh. Fantastic. We are going to carry on now, imagining that we are in outer space. We are going to be aliens. Aliens that come in all different shapes and sizes. And at the same time, we're going to practice our balancing. So we're going to play a game called Sticky Body Parts. It works like this. I'm going to call out some body parts and you have to stick them and only them to the floor. So let me give you an example. I might say, can you stick 2 feet and 2 hands to the floor? So we're going to stick them to the floor. And there are lots of different ways that you could do that. So you could stick them like this. You could stick them like this. You could stick them like this. See how many different ways you can find to do those sticky shapes. Are you ready? Brilliant, let's go. Can you stick 2 hands and 2 feet to the floor? Well done. Can you stick 2 feet and 1 hand to the floor? Brilliant. Can you stick 2 hands and 1 foot to the floor? Can you find a different way of sticking 2 hands and 1 foot to the floor? 2 hands, 1 foot. Ah, brilliant, fantastic. Can you stick 1 foot to the floor? Just 1 foot. Good. And the other foot? Brilliant. Can you stick just your bottom to the floor? We did this in our warm-up. Good. Can you stick just your back to the floor? Brilliant. Can you stick just your tummy to the floor? Whoa, well done. Can you stick, oh, this is a tricky one, your hip, 1 hip, and 1 hand to the floor? Oh, well done. Let's do the other hip and the other hand. Fantastic. And let's finish off again with our 2 feet and 1 hand. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. Fantastic. We are going to do a space dance now. We're going to start crouching down. So we've got our feet ready because we're going to stand up. So we start crouching down and slowly we're going to bring our arms up and into a rocket shape on our head. Fantastic. From here we're going to slowly come up to standing. We'll bend our knees and we'll do a big explosion jump showing the rocket taking off. Fantastic. From here we put our hands together in our rocket shape again and we're going to show the rocket going from side to side and we're going slowly. From here we're going to bring our feet back in and we're going to show the moon nice and big as you can stretch your arms without bumping into anything. Let's try all of that from the beginning with music. Getting into your starting position in your crouch, hands by your side. Good. Arms coming up into your rocket shape. Slowly coming up to standing. And explode. Hands in rocket shape. One way and the other way. And the other way. And the other way. Yeah, bring your feet in. We do the moon. Really stretch your arms out wide. Beautiful. Oh, fantastic, everybody. Let's carry on. From here, we're going to bring our legs out a bit wider and we're going to show some stars in the sky. We're going to do 4 slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do those stars wherever you want them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then we're going to do 8 fast stars. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that one more time. When you're doing your stars, especially when they're fast, keeping your eyes open so you can make sure you're not going to bump into anything or anybody else. Ready? Let's go from our slow 4 and then our fast 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Were you really fast? Well done. From here we're going to show a shooting star. So we're going to reach up and then cross our body over our head. Good, then we're going to do it on the other side. other side, fantastic. Then we're going to carry on and we're going to walk to that side of the room, going as far as we can to the side so we've got some space to travel. Let's try all of that with some music. Ready in your starting position? Ready with our arms coming up? And up we come. Ready to explode? And hands into rocket shape. Here we go. One way and the other way. And the other way. Really, let's bring our feet in and show the moon. Really stretch your arms out wide. Fantastic. And legs out wide. Ready to stars. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do our shooting star. And the other side. Yes, and we can go over to the side. The last thing that you're going to do, you might want to pause the video for this, is to make your own alien walks, okay? So you're imagining you've landed on the moon and there are some very strange creatures of all different shapes and sizes and they do some funny walks. So here are my examples. You might do something like this, you might do something like this, you could go backwards, you could go on the floor. Have a little bit of fun. You've done your serious dancing and see if you can think of 3 different alien walks and we're going to add them on to the end of our dance. So pause the video and have a quick think. Got your 3 walks? Fantastic. So you can do them wherever you like. Because I've got enough space, I'm going to come to the side of a room. I'm going to do one alien walk this way, I'm going to turn around, do another one this way, turn around and do another one. But you might not have space for that. So you could go around in a circle, you could go forwards and backwards, whatever you need to do to fit it in. Let's go from the very beginning all the way through to our alien walks at the end. So starting off in our starting positions in our crouch. Good, bringing our arms up onto our heads, slowly coming up to standing and explode. And hands into rocket. We go one way and the other way. Can you feel it? And bring our feet in, we go move over our heads. Really stretch those arms. Brilliant. Ready for stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Shooting star over your heads and the other way. Brilliant. Let's go over to the side of the room and do your first funny alien walk. Any sort of funny alien walk. Good. Let's try our second alien walk. Good. And our last alien walk. Fantastic. You were very funny aliens. I hope you enjoyed that. You can carry on thinking of different alien walks after our lesson's finished. Right then, aliens and space explorers, it is time for us to cool down. So let's find a space sitting down on the floor where we've got lots of room. We're going to start like we began our class. So we're going to put our hands in our rocket shape and after we're going to shoot up into the sky. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. And let's draw the moon with our big wide arms. Let's go soaring through space in our rocket. Rocking from side to side. Good. And let's put in some nice gentle stars. Good, well done. And we're going to brush the stardust off us. So we're going to brush it down one leg, brush it off the other leg. We do both legs together. One more time. Lovely, let's brush it off our tummies, off our backs, off our arms. give ourselves a little hug. Oh, we'll have a yawn. Can you make yourself into a really small ball, lying on your side, squeezing all those muscles? Good. And stretching out on your back in a nice, comfortable, wide shape. And let's curl up small again, really small, squeezing muscles even tighter. Good. And let's lie on our back again. Let's see how still and quiet you can lie for 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, imagining you are looking up into space. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Let's begin to wake up. So can you wiggle your toes? And wiggle your fingers. And let's have a big yawn. Good, and let's roll onto our sides and very gently, slowly come up to sitting. Let's have a big yawn here too. Fantastic, everybody. That is the end of our class. Let's give ourselves a clap. Well done. And if you want to carry on making alien rocks, feel free. Maybe you can send us a video.